How to earn money online. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you guys can earn money online. But in today's video I'm going to be showing you the first and very easy and very basic method by which you can earn money online. So the method for today's video is freelancing a website. So what you want to do is you want to go on to Google Chrome and search in Upwork. So this is the Upwork website. As you can see, Upwork is a freelancing website. It allows the users and the freelancers to work according to their niche, according to their skills, and get paid very easily, and it's a very basic and effective website for the beginners. So what you want to do is go on to upwork.com, and now you can see you have to first sign up or log in. So I have already my account logged in, so what I'm gonna do is continue with Google and sign in with my Gmail. As you can see, this is the home page. At the right you can see there are the options: my profile, available connects, and hours per week, where my categories, proposals, project catalog, and many more. So let me just explain you guys how Upwork works. When you will create a new account on Upwork will gift you almost 90 or 60 connects, which is free once you sign up anew on upwork.com, and by using those connects you can apply on these jobs. So now we come on to the jobs. For example, if you are good at something, for example if you are good at video editing, or let's just say you are good at graphic designing, so let's just search for the job. Whatever skill you have, you just need to search here. So I'm gonna search for video editing. As you can see, these are the jobs that are for the niche of video editing. So there are hundreds and thousands of jobs you can apply on. For example, let's just see the top job right here. Click on it, and the client have asked, I'm looking for an independent video editor who master effects, transitions, colorimetry, and knows how to search for the media that match what I'm saying and understand French. So these are the requirements of the client, and if you are interested in this job, you just simply need to click on this option, submit proposal. And if you want to know about how much the client will pay you for this job, it's right here. As you can see, the client is willing to pay $10 to $16 per hour. So if you work for this client, you will be getting somewhere around $10 to $16 for an hour. So that's how Upwork job work. So let's just continue with submit a proposal. First you need to click on the profile. You need to continue the job, and I will go with a general profile. These are the requirements. You can add your rate. For example, I want to work on $12 per hour, so I'm just gonna go with 12, and the Upwork will cut 20% fee from the payment you will be getting from your client. And here comes the main part, the cover letter. So you need to type in a special cover letter from which a client will be interested in you, interested in your skills, and interested to hire you. So you need to be precise. Do not write long paragraphs on cover letter. And let me just show you an example. So yeah guys, as you can see on the screen, I have written to be very precise and short paragraph by which the client will be attracted and will give the job to me. So that's how you write a cover letter. Once you have written your cover letter, if you have any attachments, your previous work, you just simply click on this upload and upload the previous work according to the same niche. Once you are done with it, you just simply need to click on this option, send for 6 connects, and once you click on it, your proposal will be sent to the client for acceptance. So yeah guys, that's how you can write cover letter or send a proposal on Upwork. By doing this, you can start earning money in a very short time. So that's the simple and very easy and very effective method by which you can start earning money online in 2022. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a huge thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel, as it helps us to grow, and we will catch you guys in the next video real soon. Till then, peace, take care.